Hi all, welcome to Math Easy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the difference between a cube and a cuboid. This is the picture of a cube and this is of a cuboid. For a cube, you can see this front part face. This is going to be of the shape of a square. For a cube, the face is going to be of a square. But for a cuboid, you can see this face, it's going to be rectangle. For a cube, this part, you can see this down part, this is called the length. This part, this side part, this is the breadth, and the tall part, this part, that is called the height. For a cuboid, it's the same. This part is the length, but you can see it is in a rectangular shape. Here you can see it is in a square shape. So, this is the length, this is the breadth, and this is going to be the height for a rectangle, that is for a cuboid. Okay, and in the case of a cube, length is equal to breadth is equal to height. Here L is the length, B is the breadth, and H is the height. In the case of a cube, length, breadth and height, all three are same. But in the case of a cuboid, you can see here in the diagram itself, the length is big, the height is big, the breadth is small, which means what? In the case of a cuboid, length is not equal to breadth, which is not equal to height. L, B, H, length, breadth, height, they are not same in the case of a cuboid. In the case of a cube, it is the same. For a cuboid, it is not the same. Okay, now let us see, as I told you one word, that is face. What do you mean by face? Face means the side. Face means what? Side, which means what? Here, let us first see the faces for a cuboid. This is the picture of a cuboid. This is the picture of a cube. Let us discuss these in detail about the faces. Here you can see the pink side, the pink coloring. That is the left side face of a cuboid. This pink side, that is the left side face. Here you can see the front part, this front part, that is the front face. And this side, that is going to be the right side face. So, left face, front face, right face. Now, at the back, if you turn this, you can see that is the back face, and this is the bottom face, the bottom part, that is the bottom face. This pink color that is colored, that is the upper face. So, how many faces are there totally? There are mainly 6 faces for a cuboid. Okay, so first let us see about the cuboid. There are basically 6 faces for a cuboid. That is left face, front face, side, right side face, back. When you turn it, back face, the bottom face and the upper face. This is for a cuboid. Now let us see the cube, faces for a cube. It's the same. This is the shape of a square. The face is in the shape of a square in the case of a cube. So this is left side face, that will be a square again. This is the right side. So left side face, right side face, and then front face, again go back face. This is bottom face, that is going to be the top face. Okay, so how many faces are there for a cube? Again, it's going to be 6 faces. So how many faces are there? 6 faces. Okay. Now that is the faces means, as I told you, it means just sides. Okay. Now let us see what are the edges for a cube and a cuboid. What do you mean by the edges? Edges are the places where the 2 faces meet. Consider this cuboid. Now what are the edges? Let us see. As I told you, edges are the places where 2 faces meet. So let us see. So this is the first place where the faces are meeting. So this is 1, this part. This is 1. Then the upper part B you can see here. that is 2. This part you can see here, green color, that is going to be 3. So, this blue part, 1, 2, 3, and here you can see one blue line, that's going to be 4. So, here this side you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now this side, let's see this side. So, this is 5, 6, 7, 8. Similarly, you said no, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, this side. This is 5, this 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, this down part 9, this part 10, again this part 11, the back part of this red line, there will be a back part at the red line. Here you can see this one, 11, 12. The back part of it, we can't see here, it's going to be the straight red line that is at the back, but you can see it here. So 11 and this is 12. This line goes like this. So that is the 12th edge. Basically, how many edges are there? 12 edges for a cuboid. Now let us see the case of a cube. How many edges are there? See this one. Similarly, 1, 2, this part 3, the straight line 4, again this side 5, 6, the down part, here this part 7, this part 8, down part 9, this one 10, 11 and this is 12. So how many edges are there for a cube? That is also going to be 12 edges. Again I will tell you once again for the edges. This one 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. 9, 10, 11, 12. That's all. Whatever I have marked in black, that is going to be the edges. Same thing here also. Now the next what we are going to see is vertices. What do you mean by vertices? Vertices are the places where 3 edges meet. Vertices are the places where the 3 edges meet. See this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many vertices? There are basically 8 vertices. How many vertices are there? 8 vertices are there. Okay. Again I can help you out. See, this is 1, 2. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they are called the vertices. Here 2, not this one, it's this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. So let us see in the case of a cube, the 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many vertices are there? 8 vertices. Vertices are the points where the 3 edges meet. You can see 1, 2, 3. 3 edges are meeting. Right? This one. 1, 2, 3. So 3 edges are meeting. That is the vertices. So we saw basically 3 things. One is the face, second is the edge, third is the vertices for a cube and cuboid. The main difference of cube and cuboid is length, breadth, height will be same for cube. Length, breadth, height will be different for cuboid. For a cube, all the 6 faces, it will be a square. For a cuboid, all the faces will be a rectangle. The faces will be a rectangle. And so that is the main difference between the cube and the cuboid. Hope you have understood about the difference between the cube and cuboid in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to Math Easy channel and push the like button. We will talk about volume of cube and cuboid in the next video. Thanks for watching.